Hi guys, for today's video, I gonna share with you some basic Hindi language to translate into English through Tagalog. Okay, so this one it is called in Indian amla, and in English it is called gooseberry, and Tagalog called iba. Okay, so just as you have if you will say this in Indian, or if you will come visit here, it is called amla, gooseberry, or iba. And this one is aloe, called in Indian, and in English it is called potato, and in Tagalog it is called patatas. Number 3, and lemon, it is called nembo in Indian, and Tagalog it is lemon. Lemon, lemon, lemon. Di ba?